Hey everyone, welcome to the Everyday 8-Minute Plank Challenge. This is a low-impact plank workout with 9 plank variations for 40 seconds each and 15 seconds rest after each exercise. Try doing this workout at least 4 to 5 days a week. If you are new to planking, just try each exercise for at least the first 20 seconds and see how you feel. You will hear a double beep as a halftime reminder for each exercise. Let's get started. The first one is a classic plank. We will start with the high plank for the first 20 seconds and then switch over to the low plank for the next 20. Make sure your arms are straight at 90-degree angle to the floor and your butt isn't poking up or dropping down. This will help you engage your core as you hold the plank. Also try to squeeze your abs each time you exhale. That will further help you work your abs as you're holding a plank. Great job! Up next, we have the marching planks. Here you will simply add lifting your legs alternately to the low plank. Make sure to squeeze your butt as you raise your leg and make sure to hold your abs tight. Do not poke your butt up. This will help you strengthen your core and glutes at the same time. I'm crawling around, searching for higher ground. Can't see in front of me, my enemies. I've tried every possibility, ability to know if I can bleed. If that's what you wanted, you won't get it tonight. For the next one, we have slow mountain climbers. Start with a high plank and slowly bring your leg to the elbow on the same side. Exhale and squeeze your abs as you bring your leg in and inhale as you move your leg out. I know this is going to make your lower abs burn so hard, but that's what we're here for. So continue going. Phew, third one down. Only 6 more to go. Next up, we have plank jacks. The first 20 seconds will be in high plank and the next 20 in a low plank. From a plank position, make sure to move your legs outward and bring back to a regular plank position, keeping your back straight and your core engaged the whole time. Continue the same motion in a low plank for the remaining 20 seconds. Come on guys, we're almost at the halfway point. You've got this. Great job again. Fix up your ponytail, have some water, and let's get back into it again. Next up, we have Spiderman planks. Start in a high plank, bend your knee outwards and bring it into the elbow on the same side. Alternate both sides. Remember to squeeze your abs as you exhale and crunch to the side. This will help you work your obliques. Switch to the low plank and repeat the same motion. I know your lower abs and obliques must be burning by now, so to make the most of this 15 seconds rest. continue to further work obliques with the side plank hold, place your elbow directly under your shoulder at 90 degrees, stack your feet, and hold yourself up with your side abs. Hold your core tight the whole time. Switch to the other side for the next 20 seconds. Next up is slow crossbody climbers. I kind of messed up the first one here. This is just like a mountain climber, except you are now moving your knee towards the opposite elbow like so. Switch over to a low plank and repeat the same motion at 20 seconds. Make sure you are squeezing your abs and exhale as you bring your knee in. We're at home stretch, you guys. The last two are the hardest ones, so feel free to give yourself a longer rest time by pausing the video here if you need to. For the next one, repeat the side plank, except this time we will include the motion of raising your arm towards the ceiling and then rotating our torso to bring the arm under us. If doing it with your feet stacked is too hard, just put the top foot in front of the lower one. Inhale as you bring your arm up, exhale and squeeze your abs as you reach under. The goal here is to try to reach past your hips with your hand, but if you can't do it, that's totally okay. It's all about the progression. Only one more to go. Final one's twisting pistons. Start in a high plank, and while keeping your knees together and rotating your core, jump them to the opposite side. I know this is hard, so you can call me any names you want, but I promise you this will all be worth it. If doing it with the low plank is too hard for you, just continue with the high plank version and work your way up as you get stronger. And we are done! Congratulations, you made it! Thank you so much for watching the video. If you enjoyed the workout, share some love by liking and subscribing. Comment below for what you would like to see next. See you next time.